Matthew, welcome to the Trade Summit. We're here in Buenos Aires. Why is Latin America an important growth market for agrochemicals?
Well, if you're looking at the Latin American market, I mean particularly Brazil, it is the key market worldwide where there is the potential for volume increase in the arable area. So, I mean, everywhere else the acres are mature. In Brazil there's the opportunity to increase that area. It's a major exporting market for agricultural produce to a world which actually needs more food and feed at the present moment in time. So it is a very important market on a global basis, and clearly when you can get that volume expansion, it's one where a lot of companies will be looking to expand their presence to enable that increase in production which is required on a global basis.
We saw a lot of one-time factors influencing the market in 2008. Tell me about some of the one-time factors that are influencing the market in 2009.
Well, I think that the key influence in 2009 is a reduction in commodity prices ahead of the spike which occurred in 2008. As we said, a lot of that spike in 2008 was one-time factors. And really, you need to look at the longer-term performance of the marketplace, because if you compare 2009 with 2006 and 2007, the underlying trend is still one of improvement. Now, clearly, after what was an exceptional year in 2008, we are in a period of re-equilibration. And this reduction in commodity prices has come in the same time as the credit situation on a global basis, which has made the trading situation for companies particularly difficult. It's obviously had an issue on farmer availability to credit and his purchasing capability for kind of crop protection products. But again, we hope that these issues are transitory. I mean, the global economy is starting to show signs of recovery more quickly in some countries than others. As we've heard in the conferences today as well, the global demand for food and feed products is actually kind of still there. And when the farmers, purchasing power and capability to acquire products to satisfy that need is there again, then we can expect kind of market improvement kind of once more. And going back to your first question, I mean, clearly we believe that a country like Brazil, with the capability to increase volume of planting as well as the yield from that planted area, is going to be quite pivotal in the supplying that need in the kind of longer term. After saying that, I mean, clearly it is a market which is not a high subsidizing nation for agricultural produce, which leads to kind of volatility in the marketplace. And of the top 5 major markets for crop protection products worldwide, Brazil is by far the most volatile or changeable from one year to the next because of weather and economic impacts and kind of purchasing power. In the major developed markets, a lot of this volatility has been taken out because of support for agriculture, which gives a stable income situation to the farmers. And really, if more stability is at the farm level, then this growth would be more easily achieved than it is in what is a kind of quite a volatile situation at the present moment in time.
Matthew, thank you.